Hello everyone, today I will show you how to change homepage from Yahoo to Google Chrome. And here's how it is done. Step 1. Open Google Chrome settings. Open Google Chrome. Click the three dots in the top right corner of the browser. Select settings from the drop-down menu. Step 2. Locate the homepage settings. In the settings menu, scroll down and find the appearance section. Ensure the toggle for show home button is turned on. This enables the homepage feature. Step 3. Change the homepage. Under the Show Home button, you will see two options. New tab page. This displays Chrome's default new tab page. Enter custom web address. Select this option. Type www.google.com in the field for the custom web address. Step 4. Set Google as the default search engine. In the settings menu, find the search engine section, usually near appearance. Click Manage Search Engines. Under Default Search Engines, locate Google and set it as the default by clicking the three dots next to it and selecting Make Default. Step 5. Restart Chrome. Close and reopen Chrome to ensure the changes take effect. And that's everything you need to know about how to change homepage from Yahoo to Google Chrome. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you